In an apartment, due to the limited space, most people choose the kitchen open to the living room or the dining room. However, the open kitchen should correspond to our current lifestyles. But it is even better if it is possible to enlarge the space, offer an interesting perspective, and most importantly invite friendliness. In this video, we will show you a unique open concept kitchen design in an apartment from 10 locations. Here's they are. The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes. This beautiful and serene penthouse was planned and designed by focusing on creating a minimalist design and displaying pleasant spaces whilst concealing some of the property's features for a clean effect. The kitchen was fitted with tall cabinets in wood cladding that continue the L-shaped space through to the family corner. The carpentry unit that serves the kitchen conceals a utility room and audio systems. A gray kitchen island with a built-in sink and stovetop was positioned in the center of the space. The coved ceilings continue through the kitchen, giving the space a softer feel. The kitchen space isn't large, but there's enough room for a dining table to seat 4. The vent hood is covered with painted MDF boards for a custom look. Basic white tiles in classic running bond pattern and Macael marble countertops were chosen because they are trend-proof. The building dates to 1880 and both Andrea and her clients were keen to maintain its old essence. Custom cabinetry painted a smoky green adds subtle color to the neutral palette. A false ceiling was removed to reveal the apartment's vaulted architecture. The kitchen, located next to the terrace, is organized in an L shape around a central island aligned with the pillar. This arrangement suggests a functional definition of the living area and dining area, maintaining the unity of the environment. From the kitchen, you will have a great view of the living room or the outdoor scenery by seeing the surrounding. Bright and roomy, the kitchen and living areas extend off the hallway, their airiness visually extending throughout the apartment. Peeking through the double doors of the living room sits the bedroom and bathroom. Hinting at a more classic plaster, a handcrafted gypsum ceiling is a romantic addition to the bedroom. Bringing vintage interiors to mind, the designers reimagined this style as modern minimalism. Since there are only 34 square meters in living space, the kitchen and living room are together and are separated from each other by a dining table, which can also be used as a home office desk at other times. The kitchen cabinets are custom made by a carpenter and are painted in a soft gray hue. This is combined with a limestone worktop. The big focal point is the blue kitchen, which makes use of all the space with wall height cabinets. You can see that cooking is a priority for the owners of this apartment since the kitchen takes up quite a large area of the apartment. Note that the kitchen cabinets go all the way to the ceiling as well for optimal storage use. The petrol blue and the black furniture pieces contrast perfectly against the white soaped flooring, and I love that the blue accents come back in the bedroom as well. The kitchen and living room is a large and inviting room with a cozy courtyard location shaped around the soft curve of the stairwell. The unconventional floor plan is open and social with 3.15 meters to the ceiling and space for both a sofa group and work corner as well as a large dining table. So different, charming and one of a kind. Inside the door, you can conveniently hang up your coat to hide the remaining outerwear and shoes in a large wardrobe a little further into the room. Opening up the internals and the application of a lighter, refreshed natural palette change the feeling from within. Additional elements that allow areas to be closed off further embeds a sense of flexibility into the planning, increasing the livability and functionality of the spaces as needed. The combination of the two colors in the kitchen is on the rise. In this apartment, in addition to these tones making you more cheerful, they provide a clean and relaxed environment. The joinery in the kitchen followed the classic line, but is distinguished by the colored granulite and the color of the cabinets. Mixing the materials was the alternative found to break the seriousness. A very cute oval kitchen shape with a black and white color combination like an old kitchen model. But this kitchen is still fashionable with matching decorations on the backsplash. The wooden floor material also makes the kitchen color contrast to look beautiful.